said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Morning all, so we're on day 2 of the daily Colt modifications. We've got some Yellowspeed Coilovers to fit today. What else we got to fit? We've got some Dynodaze discs, cross-drilled. We've got some standard pads. I always use standard pads. APEC, good brand. HEL brake lines and Yellowspeed Coilovers, yeah. So they're going to go on. That should be nice. The Colt's had a service. Use some magic sauce on it that I like. The Lucas stuff. Yeah, so we'll get cracking. It's about 8 AM, so no one's here yet apart from me. Typical. I unlock everything.
So here we go, this is what we're fitting today. Oh, lovely. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, so full coil. You what?
Plenty in the tank.
Plenty in the tank, sir. Yeah, so let's get these on. I'm going to lay them out, take some photos, etc.
Okay, so coilovers going on, so scuttle panel removed. So window wipers off, window motor out, scuttle panel out. Next thing will be this strut brace off, and then we can get access to the top. We've got bits of leaves in there, nice. So that's brake discs on, new HEL braided lines, and obviously we've got our Yellowspeed coilover in there, all copper slipped up, nice. Okay, so that's that quarter done. Get on with it then, Jason. So seeing as this is our first outing with Yellowspeed coilovers, we've set them bang in the middle for the dampener. So halfway between hard and soft. Makes sense, don't it? Well, that's nearly everything done. So that's pretty much the end of this video. There'll be another separate video for rear beam bushes, which should be much fun getting them on. But I shall take it out for a drive in the second video that we'll do. Tell you what we think. Cheers. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Comment in the section below. Plenty of stuff to be winning soon. Loads of free stuff. So as long as we see you on YouTube saying hi and getting involved, then you'll be in for a chance to win stuff. Cheers.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.